Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to spot for real-world tech reviews. Today we're diving into a must-have gadget for iPhone users and drivers alike, the RUMIXI Wireless CarPlay Adapter. If you're tired of dealing with cables and want a smoother, smarter driving experience, this little device could be a game changer. Let's break down what makes this adapter stand out. The RUMIXI Wireless CarPlay Adapter lets you enjoy full Apple CarPlay functionality, completely wire-free. Thanks to its advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4, it connects to your iPhone in just 10 seconds, and even better, it reconnects in only 3 seconds after the initial setup. No delays, no fuss. You can use Siri, control music, take calls, and navigate, all using your car's touchscreen, voice commands, or steering wheel buttons. One of the standout features is its ultra-fast transmission speed, up to 3 times faster than most standard adapters. Whether you're streaming music using Apple Maps or taking hands-free calls, the performance is seamless. And in case you hit any hiccups like lag, poor audio, or dropped connections, just unplug and replug the dongle. No need to touch your phone or start the pairing process again. It's that easy. The design is another win. This adapter is sleek, lightweight, and ultra-compact, perfect for tight car setups. It won't clutter your dashboard or center console. Plus, it comes with a USB to USB-C converter, making it compatible with both traditional USB and newer Type-C ports. That means more flexibility, especially with newer car models. Compatibility won't be an issue either. This upgraded 2025 model works with iPhones from the 6 onward, and it supports cars from 2016 and up that have factory-installed wired CarPlay. That means whether you're driving a Honda, Toyota, Ford, or BMW, chances are this adapter has you covered. Finally, let's talk durability. RUMIXI tested this adapter for over 10,000 insertions, ensuring it won't wear out your car's USB port. It fits snugly, doesn't wiggle loose, and is built to last, a reliable companion for daily commutes or long road trips. So, is the RUMIXI Wireless CarPlay Adapter worth it? Absolutely, it's fast, reliable, easy to use, and incredibly compact. If you're looking to cut the cord and upgrade your driving experience, this adapter delivers. That's it for today's review on Alltech. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more honest tech reviews every week.